Were you
Which
not?
which year? Which year did I?
Carolyn.
Which year did I? Answer me.
Don't you
Which are you mad?
You know what? I'm stressed out. I'm over it.
So, guys, Carol took to her stories and wrote about her loss, and I clearly see you are a pathological liar. In 2014, 2015, I was with a friend when you called him crying about your marriage. I did not know you personally. I spoke to you through the friend same day. Told you to come over to my salon then. You came crying and reporting your ex-hubby to me. Need I remind you what the blog said? Dabota cut pants down at a hotel opposite a hotel with a popular realtor boyfriend by her husband, allegedly. Secondly, Dabota was pregnant by another man before leaving her home, allegedly. I did not care. I stood by you. I took picture of you and stood by you, a total stranger. You were broken and all I wanted to do was to give you hope. She continued, Dabota, Lawson, you didn't even have a makeup store. Your store was under a stairs. I took in your products in my salon out there for you all through. When you found that space you call a mall now, I was the first person you contacted to, choose a design. You told me you couldn't afford the space and I suggested you should sublet. Da, 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 da. She continued, please guys, continue to read my screen because I can't read everything because she wrote a lot. So she continued again, I remember you looking so lost and miserable then. You needed a friend and I gave you my shoulder. I was still very much married. I just had my daughter. Unfortunately for me, I got separated in 2016 to 17. Little do I know that Dabota was best friend with Daniela and sister Sunike. So this was all she wrote. She actually wrote with dates. Like there's one thing about Carolyn I noticed. If she's about to remind you of something or joggle your memory about something, she comes with dates, possibly time and day that incident happened. Do you understand? But what I didn't understand was what actually I think that what triggered her to, poke Dabota was because Dabota said she was knacking her ex-husband. That was the issue and problem. And she was forced to standing up to go and poke her, which I feel like, sometimes anger can make you make the best decisions that you may end up regretting. Do you understand? She was already consumed with anger. And this led me to what Laura Ikeji said the last time. This minute, these people are loved up. The second minute, they are just cat and rat. What exactly is happening? Just like I tell you guys, I feel like most times these things are scripted. They will do cut and join, that drama part they need because that's what they want to keep people glued. Now that we've seen this scene now about Dabota and Carolyn, people will be forced to go watching what happened. Did they break bottle? Because we heard when bottle did, and somebody was shouting, "Hey!" Do you understand? So when Miriam came in, she found out that everything was shattered. Then she just got lost in the whole situation. But I just hope that this drama, they will sort it out eventually, even before or after the whole season of this Real Housewives of Lagos, all of that. But for the meantime, what do you actually think? Do you think Caroline was wrong by poking Dabota? Or do you think Dabota was wrong? Or do you think both were wrong? Because, anytime people have issues, you find out that I don't like being one-sided. You just have to wrong the two. Reason is that two of them have their own issues. Dabota too have her own wahala. Caroline has her own wahala. Maybe her temperament, she can't control anger most times. So guys, tell me what you actually think. I would also like to know your opinion in the comment section. And in this case, what do you even think about this production? Because it's always drama, drama, drama. It's rarely you see them having a peace conversation. It's rarely what you see them have, peaceful conversation. It's just like this minute peaceful, next minute fight. So guys, tell me what you think.